Good morning, guys. All right, so it's Monday. Yeah, don't. Well, stop looking at camera, Pomade. Come here if I fix something. But anyways, good morning, guys. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a new vlog or not, but anyways, let me start the vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested in any of those kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, man, hurt me. Today is Monday. We're starting a vlog because I don't know if it will be added into the other vlog or in this one or just a new vlog. So I'm just beginning the vlog. So basically this morning I got up at 6, went and exercised. Didn't exercise whole week last week because tired. So we exercised and then I didn't really or upon like get ready. We had a function since today is like the first Monday in May. It's starting off Child's Month, so we had a function at school. So and I had to sing. So upon get ready and sang. Then I had breakfast, and now I am gonna set up my classes for the week while watching some YouTube. Yeah, I watched a bunch of my YouTube video of some YouTube. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos last night because I was just in the mood for YouTube, you know. Plus last night I played Sims. I actually have a video to edit for my gaming channel. I'm gonna do it. Why man I hurt me so? I'm not used to this anymore. Like, why? Anyways, don't mind my face. It is quite horrible at the moment. It nearly starting out, is it? Yeah. But anyways, guys, so I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you guys when I pick up at the camera. Don't know when, but yeah. Guys, hi. So I finally finished cleaning the kitchen. Clean. See, it's clean. Yes. So right now I made some mac and cheese for Shanique and our kids, but trying to not eat that kind of cheese. I think I've eaten enough for the time, so I'ma do some of this. We call it spam, but a chicken no main meat. Yeah, I'll do some of this, and I'm gonna try out my bagels with my kind of cheese. Go sleep. So yeah. The fridge is in need of sorting, but anyways, this is my kind of cheese. This is the cheese I eat. It's the Go Veggie, lactose free, gluten free cheese. Yeah, that's the one I eat, and I like this brand because it has. Let me show you. It has this one, which is the mozzarella. And the pan. So the bag tour because it's the only one left. So it has the mozzarella. It also has the American, and it has I think a cheddar one. But the cheddar is kind of have a taste I don't really like that much, so I prefer these two. But yeah, this is finished. My husband just use that. Only two, because we won't get our bagels. So we got our bagels. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you. I don't know if I told you guys that I actually bought bagels. And the pizza, mommy want pizza. So the bagels. I bought this. I don't know how nice it will be, but I'm gonna try. I'm so sad that they don't sell like two by itself, because imagine me not like this and I'm still gonna eat all of them. Yeah, we're off, but oh well, let us do that. Okay, so in the meantime, while that's prepares, I'm gonna do this. I'm not too wanting enough now. I wonder if we can put in this one. Yeah, but I don't want it to be raw. That's the next thing. That would not be good. So I always fry it, but I don't want it to be too fried. I'm trying to cut down on the fry. It's hot.
Is the camera doing it?
Is that normal bread?
You're doing it for the camera?
Mm-hmm. Put that normal bread. Good morning, guys. So guys, it is Saturday morning. Let's say hi to mommy.
Hi.
How you doing, honey?
I'm giving thanks.
Yeah, so yes, this morning I have breakfast already, but I have a meeting in a few, and I kind of want something like a smoothie, so I'm gonna be having a smoothie. Let's use this one, and we'll cover them with feet. We'll cover them.
One up there.
No, it's in the lids. Lid them. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Do you want to taste it? Come and taste it. Yeah, put on the funny and just I go bad. Yes, guys, we got smoothie. Hi. Simit like it, so.
Yeah, it was good.
Mm-hmm.
It was very good.
And guys, to the almond milk I'm use, I buy it all long. I'm gonna drink it because it just fresh and tastes bad. So I guess I find a way to use it, yeah. Mother! Do you want to taste my smoothie? Oopsies. Sorry. Are you final vine things on my hand, bro? Nice? Yay! Guess how much milk me use? The almond milk I don't like.
Okay.
So I guess me I forgot use it in a smoothie. Well, me a time for my meeting. Anyways, guys, so I have a meeting like in a few. I'm gonna know my stay. I was actually watching YouTube from morning. We get up around like 7 o'clock on a Saturday. Why? I don't know. So I was watching YouTube. I was watching Relax for Sabi. But yeah, them just wake up. I hope you just wake up. Shani just wake up.